Hi guys, what's up? I'm Minnie and I'm going to quickly talk about something that not too many people talk about, and I wonder why. Because I feel that it is very, very important. Most of the times, if you go to the salon and you come back, you feel your hair are smelling amazing, right? But when you kind of shampoo it the next day or day after, you realize it's back to where it was. Now, what really happens at salon is obviously they use really nice conditioners, expensive, shampoos, etc. So hence your hair obviously smell nice. But I have a solution for you. I'm going to talk about three hair perfumes. Not Indian brands are investing. I don't know why not too many Indian brands are investing in it. I have not found yet anyone kind of having a good in hair perfume. So what I'm going to recommend is are all international brands. The first one that I'm going to recommend is this. It is Sol de Janeiro. It's called Brazilian Crush, Pistachio, and Salted Caramel. Now it's hair and body fragrance mist, but I use it more on the hair and less on the body. It is really good, guys. Like you would want to eat your own hair. It's that good. Now the thing with this is that obviously the Sol de Janeiro is famous for its bum bum cream, and a lot of people rave about it. I've tried it, but I just feel this is better than the bum bum cream. Bum bum cream is great, but this is really, really, really good. So buy one, try the smaller one. If you like it, get the bigger one. The second one I'm going to recommend is by Miss Dior. Now, Dior perfume is, we obviously know about Dior perfumes and they are famous, but this one is specifically created for hair. This I picked up at a duty free, so check it out at a duty free or when you're traveling internationally, because in India you won't find it. But this is again very, very good. This is my second bottle, guys, and I'm unable to find any more bottles, so I'm kind of using it very sparsely because I don't want to get, I don't want this to get over. So when you get out of a hot shower, you're feeling pretty good. You've used those Bath and Body Works, body washes and scrubs and all, and you're feeling like really bougie. This, just spray this on your hair and you will love it. You will love it. And get on your bed, put on that quilt and feel like a Cleopatra, and sleep well. But yeah, if you don't want to obviously waste it by just sleeping on it, then you can use it at special occasion when you go out, when you're partying, etc. Because let's be honest, most of the time when we step out, our hair, obviously they sweat and sometimes they stink, so it's not a good space to be in. The last one that I'm going to recommend is this. It's called Uae. I hope I'm pronouncing the name right of the brand. But this is more of a leave-in conditioner. So if you want to smell like the salon-like hair, this is your go-to product. Now, good thing about this one is that it is a leave-in conditioner, so it also will moisturize and condition your hair, which is good. Before hair drying, you can kind of spray it on and use your hair dryer. It works very well. But this is more if you want to smell like salon like hair. So this is your go-to solution for that. But the other two that I shared with you are purely good fragrances for your hair. They won't nourish your hair. They'll just make you smell nice. That's all. These are my recommendation. Let me know if you've tried some other hair perfumes. If there's something else you want me to talk about, happy to share. But this is, I feel, very, very underrated category, but I feel it really makes a difference. Every small thing makes a difference, not just looking good, not just wearing good clothes, but it's also about smelling nice. So yeah, give it a try and let me know if you like it. Love you. Bye. See you.